flat tires. What you do when you have a flat tire, you have a trailer aid that is like a ramp that you put in front of the front tire or back tire to lift the opposite tire. You know, if you put it on the front, you're gonna lift in the back, and put it on the back, gonna lift on the front. The thing is that on RVs like this one that are at least, let me see, 26 inches high, 25, 26 inches high, you need a really tall jack. Like I said on other video, you can get a safe jack that go up to 36 inches. Some people try the ramp that is a trailer aid, but with this type of RVs, the wheel travel, you know, it moves so much up and down that basically if you put it on the front, the back tire still touch the ground. It's not, that ramp is not tall enough to be able to lift the other tire. So what you have to do, you gotta lift it through the frame, but like I said, you don't have a tall enough jack. So the other option is on the axle, and you gotta be careful when you do it from the axle. Okay, here we are under URV. If you don't know, this is how it looks under, right? So when you're gonna jack up this thing, if you don't have a tall enough bottle jack to do it from the frame right here, you got to do it through the axle to change that tire, lift that tire at least like an inch. That's all you need, you know. And you got to be careful. You cannot do it from here, from the center. You got to be as close as you can from these U-bolts. And as you see, this is a too small footprint to distribute the weight, so you still can damage that. This probably can fit here right in the middle, but I will not use this by itself. I would use this, that is a jack saddle, and as you can see, have like a U right there, and that distribute the weight evenly right here. You put it on top of that, put it right there, start twisting this, high enough, put it as close as you can from that U-bolt right here, and then you start lifting that saddle right there until you lift the tire at least 1 inch. Okay, this is very inexpensive, but it's really nice because, like I said, distribute the weight evenly and prevent first the jack head from create too much pressure in one spot, and also because this is circular, you using only the head of the bottle jack is kind of like a risky because it can slip here to one side or the other. With this, keep it in the same place, and that is a lot safer to be able to lift that tire at least 1 inch. Change the tire, put it down, and you're good to go. Okay, like I said, if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and you have any comments, please leave it in the comments section below. I love your comments, and see you in the next video. Bye.